How to use multiple sound outputs in Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Settings and then click on System. On left side you'll find Sound. Click on Sound and then click on Sound Control Panel, which is on the right side. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply add your Bluetooth to one device and make another speaker set as default device by clicking on the speaker. After you've done that, simply refresh your device or restart your device and you're good to go. This is how to use multiple sound outputs in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.